Hello, friends, and welcome to
Sciencigo.
today's topic is the moon.
The moon has been visited by 24 astronauts.
That has been visited by more than 100 robots.
Can you imagine?
That's a lot number.
The distance between moon and earth is 233,468 miles.
That is 233,468 miles.
The fifth largest moon in our solar system, Earth's moon, is the only place beyond Earth where humans have set foot.
The brightest and the largest object in the night sky, the moon makes Earth a more livable planet by moderating our home planet's wobble in its axis, leading to a relatively stable climate. The moon was likely formed after a Mars-sized body collided with the Earth.
Earth's only natural satellite is simply called the moon because people didn't know other moons exist until Galileo Galilei discovered four moons orbiting Jupiter in 1610.
Thanks for watching. Like,
Share
and
and subscribe.